Hello and welcome to the Get It Rick channel. Are you interested in beekeeping? Did you know that beekeeping can be a profitable venture? In this video, we will be sharing some tips on how to make money as a beekeeper. One of the most obvious ways to make money as a beekeeper is by selling honey. High quality, locally sourced honey is in high demand and can command premium prices. You can sell your honey at local farmers markets, online, or to small businesses such as cafes, restaurants, and gift shops. Honeybees are essential pollinators for many crops, and farmers are willing to pay beekeepers to bring their hives to their fields during the blooming season. You can offer pollination services to local farmers and charge a fee for the use of your hives. This can be a lucrative opportunity for beekeepers with large hives. Beeswax is a versatile material that can be used to make candles, soaps, lip balms, and other beauty products. These products can be sold at farmers markets, online, or to local retailers. Additionally, beeswax can be used to make reusable beeswax wraps, which are becoming increasingly popular as an eco-friendly alternative to plastic wrap. Beekeepers can breed their own bees and sell them to other beekeepers. This is a specialized area of beekeeping, and it requires a deep understanding of genetics and bee behavior. However, if you have the expertise, breeding and selling bees can be a profitable venture. As a beekeeper, you have valuable knowledge and experience to share with others. You can offer educational workshops on beekeeping, honey extraction, beeswax product making, and more. These workshops can be held in person or online and can be a great way to supplement your income. So there you have it, 5 ways to make money as a beekeeper. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned beekeeper, there are opportunities to turn your hobby into a profitable business. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content on beekeeping and other topics.